Thank you for wearing the mask. Kindly proceed to enter. Thank you for wearing the mask. Kindly proceed to enter. Mask is required to enter the metro station. Mask is required to enter the metro station. Thank you for wearing the mask. Kindly proceed to enter.
Hi everyone. In this video, we'll make a project like automatic gate entry at a metro station uh, based on like whether you have wear the face mask or not. So like if you are wearing a face mask and you press the button, you are allowed to enter the metro station. And like if you are not wearing a mask, it will ask you to wear a mask and the entry is not allowed. So here like we'll combine like machine learning, TensorFlow models, object detection with physical world using robotics hardware. So before to get start, like there are few things you have to do. First, like you have to go on RoboFlow, create an account, and this is the mask wearing project that we are using. So here you go into the model, can test this thing on their website itself, and it will detect like whether mask or no mask. And then from here in the examples, you can get the key, API key also, or you can get the same from settings also. So you will also need a ESP32 based some kind of board. So to control this servo and this push button example. So once you have this board, you can upload the firmware. So the traditional way is going to like connect and like install software, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I'll tell you the alternate way. So you can download these files and you can use this address to flash. So you can go into like Adafruit web serial tool and like then you can go and connect to your COM port. Once your port is connected, like you can choose the files. Like first is the bootloader one, and second is the partitions, and then boot and firmware. Now you can enter the address also. Like this is on 1000, and this are in hacks. This is on 8000. Then this is on E000. This is 4 times 0. So you can add the address, add the files, and then click program, and it will program your board. So I'll just close it because I had already programmed it. The next thing, like once it is programmed, you have to reset your board, then go into connect, install software, ESP32 blocks, select your correct COM port. Then like it is not detecting here, so I'll just go into logs and console and reset the device. And then I can go and like set the Wi-Fi. So I had like already set the Wi-Fi address. So for me, like there is no need, but for you, you have to set that Wi-Fi address. Once you have set the Wi-Fi address, you have to go to visit device, and then you have to enter your code school username and password and click connect. So now the device is connected. I can close this also. So now I can just go and say connect board from here, and I can do refresh also, and then it is showing me like connected to the device. So now the device is connected. I can go and close it. So this is like my program. So like when the green flag is clicked, I'm turning on the video from that face detection extension. Then using the text to speech extension, I'm setting the Google UK male voice and playback speed to 1, setting the video transparency to 50. So like I want this background to be visible, not the camera, but like uh, for demo purpose I'm setting it 50, so like you can get an idea like what the camera is seeing. Then on the pin 5 is I have connected the button, so like I'm setting the pin mode as input and attaching a interrupt to that button. And then I am also connecting a servo on pin 4 and like setting the initial address as 0 degree. Then when the button is pressed, like you have attached a interrupt here on ISR. So like when this interrupt routine is called like this on ISR function, it will create a post request. And this API is another variable which I have already set it. So the API details you can get it from your uh, account itself, and in that JavaScript example, it will show you the API also. And I'm using this path. So this path I have entered here like with question mark API key, and then I'm appending the API key, and I'm setting the correct headers for that request. Then I'm getting an image from the camera and setting the request body as the camera image, and then I'm sending the request and getting the result and storing it in a resource variable. Then I'm checking like whether it has done any prediction, and if the prediction has been done, and if the prediction is not done, then it will simply say not able to recognize, try again, and then it will clear all the messages. If the prediction is done and like the first prediction class is like no mask, it will ask you to like wear a mask, which is mandatory to enter the metro station. And if the first class is masked, like then it will turn the servo motor to open the gate and like ask, and then ask you to like proceed to enter as you have already wearing the mask. And then after 5 seconds it will again close that gate by setting the servo again to its reset position. So let's just see the demo. Like first thing I need to do is like connect the board. So the board is already connected. Then like I have to also set the API key. So I'll set it manually. Now the API key is set and the ESP32 board has been connected. So I'll just click this green flag, and it will do the configuration like it is showing the camera feed on top of this background image of the metro station. So let's just press the button and see like what happens.
Mask is required to enter the metro station.
So let me just put some light for the camera to like recognize properly. So now like I'm not wearing any mask. So let me just press this button and see.
Mask is required to enter the metro station.
So because like I'm not wearing any mask, it is like not opening the gate and asking me to like wear the mask.
Mask is required to enter the metro station.
Now let me wear a mask. So now like I'm wearing a mask. Let's try it again.
Thank you for wearing the mask. Kindly proceed to enter.
So like it is detecting the mask and like it is opening the gate and automatically closing it after 5 seconds. Let's just try it again.
Thank you for wearing the mask. Kindly proceed to enter.
So like the another thing is like I downloaded this images using Google search and then like I had removed this background and I am simply using this image. So as you can see like how easy it is to use like Code School to like combine like various sensors, buttons, servos, motors, etc. with various machine learning models to create like really awesome and complex projects with so much ease. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.